back at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay for another Iron Gwazi construction update. There's Iron Gwazi, here's the entry sign. Too bad there is no construction walls over here down, but it's only by the entrance and parts of over here. This place actually was open the last time I was here, and got tons of new things in the area that we're going to be showing you guys. So let's come back for the March update. As we can see right here, it looks like we have ourselves a sign comparing the original Gwazi to Iron Gwazi. Looks like in stats. I'm not that sure if the camera's picking it up that well, but yeah, definitely looks like we have some cool signs. He's been up for a while. There's another one over there. There's a few more inside the queue line. I spotted one over there. So yeah, Iron Gwazi looks beautiful today. There, it looks like we have ourselves the Iron Gwazi gift shop sign. I don't know how new this is, but this is the location of the gift shop.
Do you want to ride the gliders?
Right next to Gwazi. And over here is where the original gift shop was. They're probably still going to use it, but this is the main gift shop where the sign is. It's all covered, but it is cool. Oh, look, they officially changed it again. Anticipated opening in 2021. Which they have pictures all over coming soon for Gwazi. So hopefully we'll see an opening in actually 2 weeks, a couple of weeks from now. It's the pink chickens. Oh, look at them all. Look at them all moving over there. They must be going somewhere. Food must be here. So, they're all just retreating now. Okay. Currently, Busch Gardens Tampa is in their Food and Wine Festival from now until the 25th of April. And we're going to be able to get pretty close and personal with the Cursor Gwazi. There's the upper bank. So, let's take some cool shots. Here's some cool spots. So let's do some shots of the ride.
We have a truck. Because
see that little turn right there? That's the turn into the final brake run. Alright, so I can see one of the trains. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but I can see, I think it's the back row on one of Gwazi's trains. I'll try to zoom in even further during video editing, but hopefully you guys can see that.
We're taking pictures of it.
Looks like we got ourselves a little bit of a Q sign. Looks pretty cool. Looks like it's showing some type of crocodile or alligator. We have some more signs up in here. It looks like we got one sign of the coaster going through its zero-G stall. Looks like I can read it from here. It's listing some facts about the ride. I can see 76 miles per hour. Can't really understand the rest of it, but there is also a sign right there that speaks the way. We also have no smoking signs. So yeah, the ride's ready to open. It looks absolutely bloody amazing. Yeah, it looks awesome. Alrighty guys, so it's been a while. There's no train in the station still. We're not going to be seeing testing today. I'm not surprised, but holy crap, it's a beautiful day. So far, everything was awesome. A lot of great views. And I'm coming back on Monday, so we'll do another construction update. And maybe we'll actually do testing on Monday for its once a month testing. The ride does test once a month. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys had a good time watching the video. We had some awesome angles and all that. See you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys next one. Bye.